Hey guys, so excuse this, I'm just wearing my base. I'm going to do a try on video today and it's gonna be introducing the BoxyCharm Hello Girl. A little disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. This is the first time I did it. So this is January 2019. If you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, it's basically a makeup subscription like Ipsy, except a little bit better. This is $21 a month. You pretty much get 4 to 5 samples. Usually it's like full sizes, which is kind of exciting. So I'm just gonna get right into it. Here's the box. I'm gonna open it. That's what the inside looks like, and this is the paper. The back of the card tells you the description of each product and the price. First thing I got were these two Tatcha face masks. They're Tatcha's Luminous Dewy skin masks. You can get 2 of them. I know I said it's a try on video, but I'm not gonna apply these because I'd rather save these for special events and not for this video, you know. So yeah, it's supposed to have a blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids. It looks like there's a lot of fancy ingredients in this thing. It says $24, so is that $24 for one? So I'm probably gonna botch this, but this guy right here is Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative. So you're getting 2 ounces of this product and it's going for $12. So this is supposed to be infused with their ultra nourishing rose hip, argan, and coconut oils, and it's supposed to help detangle wet hair and protect against heat while locking in moisture. So my hair is kind of wet, kind of not, so I'm gonna put some on. Hello. It smells nice. I like the way it smells. Probably doing this wrong. I don't usually use leave-in sprays. There's a first time for everything. It says to apply this in damp hair, so I'm sure you could put it in dry. This guy right here is the $1 Billion Brows. It's the universal brow pencil. Okay, great. Works perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. We'll see about that. I got like dark black eyebrows and this looks a little bit brown. It's supposed to glide onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. And there's a spoolie at the end, which is awesome, so you could blend it out. I don't usually use brow products, so if I look like I don't know what I'm doing, it's probably because I don't. So it's a retractable pencil, which is great. I'm gonna mainly focus this on my sparse areas. Alright. She's looking cute, I think. I think it's nice, especially if you have already like a thicker brows. This is great to like fill in those little bald spots. So I like it. So this guy right here runs for $18. This is what I'm most excited for. It's by Tarte. Hello, I love Tarte. So this is Tarte's Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette thing. Like this is volume 3. So here it is. So apparently this is limited edition, but here are the shades that you get. Pretty much all of them are shimmer except for one. This guy right here retails for $36. This is supposed to be vegan and it's crease-free eyeshadow. It has 7 micro shimmers and 1 matte. A long-wear formula enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect the lids. I'm gonna prime my lids first and see how this goes. So I'm gonna go into Tiki, which is their only matte shade, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Actually, I lied. I'm not gonna put that in my crease because it's the same color of my skin. So I'm just gonna set my eyelid primer with that then. I want to try to make a look using only this palette, but I'm sure this is meant to be used with other palettes. But just in case you wanted to see just the one palette, I'm just going to use the one. So I'm going to be daring and I'm going to go in with, I'm going to go into Jewel into my crease. So I'm going to go in with Heat Wave with my finger and put that all over my lids. I'm gonna go into Treasure and put it in the inner corners of my eyes. A little bit on the brow bone. I'm gonna go in the darkest shade Malibu and I'm gonna put that on the outer edges of my eye and then also bring it into my crease a little bit because I can't even see the other shade. Use my finger, see if I can pack that on. Yes. Alright, quite simple. Alright, moving on. That same Malibu shade and put on the bottom lash line. Just gonna smoke it out just a little bit. I'm gonna complete this look with some eyeliner and some mascara. Last thing that I got is this guy right here, and this is Ofra's Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Miami Fever. This guy would run for $20, and this is supposed to last all day. I don't know about that. I'm not gonna wear it all day, but let's put it on. I don't usually wear colors like this, so this is a little bit out of my comfort zone. But so far, it's going on so nicely. Why am I talking while applying? You could apply this really nicely. This is kind of out of my comfort zone just because my lips are so uneven. So it doesn't dry down really fast, which is great because it gives you some time to work with. And then, it's not sticky. It seems like a really nice formula, and my lips don't feel like it's drying out. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to put on like a lighter shade in the center of my lips because I can't. I just can't. Sorry. So if I had to rate everything, so far I haven't tried these, so I can't really rate it. Let's see how my hair feels. Can't really tell a difference with my hair, but it smells nice. I think out of this whole box, my favorite thing is this brow pencil, just because it's pretty easy to use. All I have to do is fill in my sparse brows, blend it out, you're done. As far as the eyeshadow palettes, I think it would be a lot better if I use it with other eyeshadows that are actually matte and use these more of like a topper and stuff like that. As far as it being used alone, not my favorite. Even though I'm not really a big fan of the shade, I mean, again, because it's out of my comfort zone, but it's pretty nice. I love how it feels. But anyways, that's it for that video. If you guys like that video, please give it a thumbs up. So if you'd like to see more of these kind of BoxyCharm videos, then stay tuned because I have a lot coming up in the following month. So if you have any video requests, leave it down below. I hear you guys with the boy to girl videos. I hear it. I know you guys are going to be talking about my hair, so here's a little sneak peek, I guess. See you guys.